Hey, Mr. Musselman, what are you doing up there?
Oh, hey, Miss P. I'm just trying to spread a little holiday cheer by putting some tinsel on our owl house.
Oh. Whoa, Mr. Musselman, you're looking a little unbalanced. Mr. Musselman, oh no! Scout, call the school nurse.
Whoa. Do my eyes deceive me? Is that bird defying the force of gravity?
No, Mr. Musselman, it's actually balancing right on my fingertip. This is our holiday giveaway this year to students and teachers. This is the Burlington Science Center's Balancing Peace Bird.
So how does the peace bird work? The peace bird relies on the force of gravity and the scientific idea of balance. The secret to the bird's unusual behavior can be found beneath the balancing bird's wings. 2 pennies attached to the shorter end of the bird cause the wings of the balancing bird to be heavier than its body and tail fin. The lighter tail fin and body stretch farther away from the bird's center of gravity than its heavier wings. This causes the bird to remain balanced and not fall towards the ground, much like the 2 students in this picture on a seesaw. Different people with different weights push down on their seat with a force equal to each other that causes the seesaw to remain at rest and still, or what we call balanced.
Miss Pavlicek
Mr. Musselman.
And Mrs. Hogan.
and Scout the Owl wish you a happy holiday season from the Burlington Science Center.